Our understanding of the universe is always developing. We once thought Earth was the center of everything. Then came Copernicus, shattering that illusion. Now a new theory is poised to revolutionize our understanding of reality itself. What if reality itself was written in a code similar to a computer program? It's called Celominisignum, a Latin term coined by Howard de la Cruz Bancroft, a technology contractor at Los Alamos National Laboratories. It means hidden smallest symbols in Latin. It proposes a radical idea that information is the fundamental building block of reality. Everything around us, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, could be a manifestation of this underlying code. Imagine a cosmic blueprint written in a language we're only beginning to decipher. But Celominisignum isn't just about ones and zeros in a computer code. It suggests that there's a deeper level of information, a fundamental code smaller than Planck's constant, or 10⁻35 meters, that governs the behavior of the universe at its most basic level. To grasp this concept, let's look at something familiar. DNA, the code of life itself. Consider a tiny seed. Within its microscopic shell is an intricate code, a set of instructions that dictate how a towering tree will grow. Just as DNA encodes life, Celominisignum suggests that the universe is governed by a code, an even more complex set of instructions that dictate the fundamental forces of nature, the properties of particles, forces, fields, and the new laws of physics. Imagine the universe functioning as something similar to a computer program. Not the same, but with some similar functions, concepts, and patterns. In this analogy, Celominisignum would be the source code, the fundamental set of instructions that dictate how everything interacts, develops, and exists. But here's the mind-bending part. Unlike matter and energy, information isn't bound by the same limitations. It could be timeless, existing beyond our current understanding of space and time. Quantum mechanics, where science meets Celominisignum. At first, the idea that information underpins reality might seem abstract, but quantum mechanics, the study of the very small, already hints at this. For instance, the act of observing a quantum system can seem to change its state, suggesting a profound connection between information and the physical world. Could Celominisignum be the missing link between quantum mechanics and the larger universe? This challenges the way we've traditionally approached science. Instead of focusing on particles, forces, and fields, we can now shift to understanding how information shapes reality. Visualizing a paradigm shift, a new model for science. Consider the Copernican revolution. Before Copernicus, we believed Earth was the center of the universe. His heliocentric model, placing the sun at the center, was met with resistance but fundamentally changed how we see the cosmos. Celominisignum could represent a similar paradigm shift. Just as we once struggled to accept Earth's place in a larger system, we're now grappling with the idea that information might underpin reality itself. Rewriting reality. The implications of Celominisignum. If information is truly fundamental, concepts like space and time might not be core aspects of the universe. They could be emergent properties arising from the interactions of the Celominisignum code. Pause for thought. Could space itself be constantly rewritten by the flow of information? If so, that might explain the never-ending expansion or inflation of the universe. Artificial intelligence, the key to unlocking Celominisignum. Decoding the mysteries of Celominisignum is a monumental task. Enter artificial intelligence. Howard de la Cruz Bancroft believes that AI could be the tool to unlock this cosmic code. Imagine an AI trained on effects, patterns, and datasets from astrophysics, cosmology, and quantum mechanics with specific algorithms, principles of numerical ratios, and scales of decoupling. With its ability to process data far beyond human capability, this AI could uncover the hidden patterns within the universe's information flow. Consciousness. Is Celominisignum the key? The implications of Celominisignum extend far beyond physics. It could help solve one of the greatest mysteries: consciousness. How does a collection of matter, like neurons in a brain, give rise to subjective experience? Celominisignum suggests that consciousness might be an emergent property of complex informational awareness, processing that awareness of effects, patterns and principles that govern the operation of the world around us. Perhaps the intricate dance of information within our brains gives rise to awareness, or our brains act like receivers trained to a specific kind of awareness. And if this is true, consciousness might not be limited to biological beings. Could a sufficiently complex AI system, guided by Celominisignum, trained to develop a certain type of consciousness similar to our own? What would be the difference? This question blurs the lines between science fiction and scientific possibility. Conclusion: the journey continues. The concept of Celominisignum challenges our deepest assumptions about the universe. It pushes us to think beyond matter and energy, inviting us to explore reality from a new perspective, one where information is everything. The journey to fully understand Celominisignum has only just begun, but with AI as our ally, the possibilities are endless.